Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got the big Detroit show going on, the DAAM show. That's going on October 19th, 2025, Sunday. So it's either, if you're watching this video tonight, it's tomorrow. If you're watching tomorrow, it's today. So head on over there, go to the show, bring a model, put on the table. And remember guys, this is at the new location. So if you go to the Waterford, or I'm sorry, to the Macomb Community Center that they used to have it for many years, there'll be nobody there except for the guys. Well, they're probably not working on Sunday. They are renovating that building, giving it a little makeover. I believe the next two shows are going to be at this new location at the Oakland Expo Center. And this is at 2212 Mall Drive East. That's kind of a weird one. Waterford Township, Michigan, 48328. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. New location. Really looking forward to see this venue, see what it looks like. It's supposed to be pretty good size. It's supposed to be just as big and awesome like the previous shows. So really looking forward to that. So we are all boxed up, ready to go. I'm taking 9 kits this time with me. Really looking forward to it. So we're doing a video coming up on some retirement models. I'm taking them out of the show scene, and we're getting some fresh plastic on the scene and running with that. Other than that, I did a video a while back on the Ford Probe, because we're going to Acme next week. We're actually leaving this Wednesday morning early for the Acme show, which is the following weekend. I was going to do the Ford Probe model, and I don't know. I don't think it's going to make it. So I'll show you where we're at with it. It's right here. This is it. It's painted. It's white, and that's as far as it got. Other than that, the interior and the chassis done. So I mean, if I pushed it, I could probably do it, but I don't know. The reason why, I mean, we had a lot of family things going on this week, so I didn't get a lot of time to come out here. And other than that, the grandson come out, and he's showing interest in model building. He's big into ships, stuff like that. So I put the Probe on the back burner to help him out. He brought me this kit, and he has a few kits here he's picked up. They're ships of different sort. The first one he picked up was a Trumpeter 1, I can't remember what it is, like a 1 in 700 or something like that, battleship, where it's like an aircraft carrier. And I says, it's a little too maybe much for a beginner, you know. He ended up picking up this one. This is an old Lifelike Hobbies kit, the HMS Revenge. So we're putting this together for him. He's actually doing most of the build himself. This is his first actual glue model. He's doing really well with it. So this is where he's at with it right now. And so this is where he's at with it. So he's doing a pretty good job. So this is airbrushed, and I had him airbrush it. I was giving him some lessons on it and showing him how to do it. Because I thought, you know what, we're always trying to get the youth into the hobby. And I thought, what a perfect opportunity. He come and wanted to work on it. So now he's kind of getting into it. Now he wants to come over all the time and work on it. You know, he's like, hey, you got a day off coming up? And I thought, not really, you know, but I thought that'd be cool to come out and help you. But so he's coming over and working on it when he can. So like I said, I put the Probe on the back burner to help him out, because I thought, you know what, he's interested in it. I'm going to help him, because those opportunities usually don't come along too much, especially with the younger generation. Figured, hey, why not? And I says, you know what, if it turns out pretty good, next couple of shows, take it to the youth. Even if it don't turn out good, you know, whatever. Just take it and put it on the youth table. Either way, be a win-win from all the way around. Good experience for him. Other than that, channel announcement, Hobby Nut Model is back on board. I've always been advertising him here and there, if you noticed in the videos. But Mark is back online with a few channels. And he is basically doing strictly automotive at this point. So if you go to his website, you may see some aircraft on there yet, some closeout stuff. He's basically out of the aircraft military scene and just strictly primarily automotive going forward for now. Anyways, he is, if you go check out the website, you'll see there's a lot more automotive content on there. So guys, go down and check out that website, and he's got a lot of good stuff out there. He's got a lot of the new kits, a lot of stuff available. So yeah, so go check that out. So Mark, appreciate you picking the channel back up. That was awesome. And yeah, so that should work out well. other than that, guys, looking forward to seeing you at the show. Come up, say hi, and so we'll see you guys at the next video or the next model show. And you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.